Jonah how to weld. And remember consistency, okay? Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's how you weld. Oh, this is Jonah's. Let's see. This is Jonah's third little pieces like that. Wow, that's good, Jonah.
Thank you.
Ah, okay, so it's called consistency. So just do that speed. So, what do you think?
It's cool.
It's cool, huh? Okay, that's cool. All right, so let's do it again. You see this piece? You want to make it look like this tiny little piece over here, right? So this piece is good, but it's a little bit slow. So go a little bit faster. Okay. Go zigzag, zigzag in your head. Zigzag, zigzag. Yeah, slow. There you go. Let's see. Yep, it's almost perfect. See, that'll hold. Now let me show you what. Try to break that with a hammer. So we are testing Jonah's weld. So Jonah and he welded this part right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna tip this over and we're gonna test this weld. As hard as you can. Come on. Harder. Harder. As hard as you can. Yep, come on. Let's see what you can do with that weld. Okay, so it's not gonna break. So let's take a look at it.
Just bending.
It's just bending because the weld is holding. You see that? What do you think?
It's cool.
Yep, so today is Noah's first time ever that I'm teaching him how to weld as well. So put these two together and tack them together. Okay, so Noah's gonna tack these two pieces together. Don't be afraid. You got protection already. So the stick out is a little bit too long. Okay. Your stick out is a little bit too long, so but when you weld, go in so that the stick out is really as close as you can to it. Okay. This is called a stick out now. Okay. Make sure it's about 1/4 inch or at most half an inch.
Can you push it back in?
No. When you weld, just go right into it. Don't be afraid. Here, stick out a little bit too long. Go closer. Yeah. Come on. Don't be afraid. You have protection. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, you see how you're missing it? You're not even touching the bottom plate. You see that? So let me show you now. Now, when you weld, I want you to look at it like this. Okay? I want you to look on the side, and I want you to see it. I want you to look so that your torch, you can see your torch touch the bottom plate. Okay. You don't look straight down. You look on the side. Okay? Okay, do it again. Okay, wait. Put that over here. We'll tack another plate to it. Turn it this way. And then tack another plate to it. Okay. Go zzz, tack like that. Okay, the other one. Go zzz. Okay. When you're ready, make sure you. Okay. Oh, okay. No. Okay. Try looking on this side. Oh well, however you look at it, so that you see the bottom one too, okay? You see the bottom? Okay. Remember, zigzag. Good job. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Good job. So here you were going very fast, right? But here you're going at the right speed, right? Like right at the middle here. That's almost the right speed, and here you are slowing down too much. Okay, so it's called speed and consistency. So you have to be consistent. Okay. Okay, let's do another one. Make sure you go on all the way down the bottom. Okay, take a look. Yeah. Yep. That looks really nice. It's just that you dragged it a little bit too fast. Okay. You dragged it a little bit too fast. When you drag, you need to do consistent like that. Okay. You have to consistently drag it. Okay. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, start from there. Yep, that's the pattern. Yep, that's the speed. Okay, let's take a look. Yes, that's good. That's good. Okay, you just need to work on your consistency, you know. Okay, that's pretty good. All right.